control in here. We need like the whatever music, and then when the music stops, you switch.
They're all different.
That's true.
I can't be involved in the game. I will not be
I have
involved.
no idea what it is. I think it is.
Where'd you get it?
I have a bag over there. What's that clip?
That's my 10.
So what do? You just put it on and then...
Yeah, well, you have different speeds. What kind of play do you use here? I like it sounds good. Is it? Okay, yes, okay, buffer on the hands.
It's natural exposure.
Oh, yeah?
If you want, if your feet are too rough, you can throw it in.
I'm waiting.
There's an idea. Let me get the hands figured out first. We'll go to the feet. When I can go to the feet, I'll be very pleased. You ever use that play?
So rough. I've never used this thing before.
The wheel play.
Mama, help me.
It's rough on your hands.
Mama, can you hear me?
This is the rough spot. Because I was saying it's just a little rough.
You guys, having sunlight makes a big difference at living out here.
Totally.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, most